Memawo akwaba ba twi adesua a etoso mienu ana ebien so. Welcome to lesson 2 of our twi lesson. Ene yɛbɛhwɛ sɛnea wɔkyerɛw asɛmfua ana wɔhyehyɛ asɛmfua ɛwɔ na adesua no mu. Today we shall look at formation of words. Recap from the previous lesson 1. Adesua a edikan no mu nkae. Wɔ adesua a edikan no mu no, yɛhwɛ twi akyerɛwde. Afei nso, yɛhu ani nnyigyeyi ne anum nnyigyeyi ahorow. Sɛnea ebiara gyigye fa ɛna yɛhu twi akyerɛwde sononko bi nso. In our previous lesson, we learned about the Twi alphabets, the Twi vowel sound, the consonants, and the special characters and how each of the characters also sound. Writing of word or words. Asɛmfua anaa nsɛmfua akyerɛw. Formation of word or words with the use of the vowels, consonants, and the use of the twi special characters. Yɛbɛhwɛ sɛnea wɔkyerɛw asɛmfua a akyerɛwde no yɛ mienu anaa ebien, mmiɛnsa anaa ebiɛsa, anan ne enum. We shall look at how to write 2-letter words, 3-letter words, 4-letter words, and 5-letter words in this lesson. The use of a in line with the consonant. Here we are going to use the vowel sound a together with the consonant in forming words. So we have plus the a, which will give us ma. Then we also have the plus a, which will also give us na, p. And a, and so bema pa. So with the consonant p plus a or the a will give us pa. Yawo r plus a, which is the r plus the a will give us ra. Yawo s. And a with the s and the a will also give us sa. So we have the t and then the a. So we have the t and the a will give us ta. So t plus a will give us ta. We have w and then a. So with the w and the a will also give us wa. We have the j, and the a, which is the y, and the a will also give us ja. We have the b plus a, which is the b, and the a will also give us ba. We have the d plus a, which is the d, and the a will give us da. We have the f, and then a, which is the f, and the a will give us fa, fa. We have the g, and the a, which is the G, and the A will give us ga, ga. We have h plus a, h plus a, which is the H, and the a or the A will give us ha, ha. We have the k and the a, k, and the a will give us, which is the K, and the a or the A will give us ka, ka. So the K and the A will give us ka, and a, and a will give us la, la, which is the L, and A will give us la. Here we have the use of the A, which is the E, A, which is the E in English, the use of the A in line with the consonants. So we're going to look at the E, the use of the E or the A in line with the consonant. So we have B plus A will give us B, B, which is the B, and the E will give us the sound B, B. The D and A, which is the D, and the E will give us D, D. F, f, plus A will also give us F, F, which is the F, and the E will give us the F. G and A, which is the G, and the E will also give us G, G. H, H plus A, which is the H, and the E will give us H, H. Here we have the K and the E, which is the K, and A will give us K, K. L and A, L and A, which is the L, and the A will also give us L, L. Plus A, which is the M, and the E will give us M, plus A, which is the and the A, the end, and the E will give us N, N. Plus A, which is the P, and the E, which is P, and A will give us P, P. R, R plus A, which is the R, and A, which is the R, and E will give us R, R. S, S plus A, which is the S, and the E will give us C, C. So we have the T plus A, which is the T, and the E will also give us T, T. We have V, V, and A. So W and the E will give us W, W. J plus A, J plus A, which is the Y, and the E will give us Y. Y. The use of the the vowel in line with the consonants. B plus B plus will give us B. B. D plus D plus which is the D, and the will give us D. D. F. F. And the which is the F, and the will give us F. F. G. G plus which is the G, and the will give us G. G. H. H plus which is the H, and the will also give us H. H. K. K plus which is the K, and the will give us K. K. L. L plus which is the L, and the will give us L. L. M plus which is the M, and the will also give us Me. Me. M. M. And which is the end, and the will also give us Ne. Ne. P. P plus which is the P, and the will also give us P. P. R. R plus which is the R, and the will also give us Re. Re. S. S plus which is the S, and the will give us Se. Se. T. T plus which is the T, and the will give us T. T. W. W plus which is the W, and the will give us W. W. J. J plus which is the Y, plus the will give us J. J. The use of the vowel E in line with the consonants. Nti yɛbɛhwɛ the E and the consonant in the boma. Then yɛbɛnya when we add the E to the consonant, what are we going to derive? B plus E. B plus E will give us B. B. D plus E. D, which is the D, and the I will give us D. D. F. F plus E, which is the F, and the E or the I will give us Fi. Fi. G. G plus E will give us G. G. So the G and the I will give us G. H. H plus E, which is the H, and the I will give us He. He. K. plus E, which is the K, and the I will give us ki, ki. L plus E, which is the L, and the I will give us li, li. Plus E, which is the M, and the I, the M, and the I, which is plus E, will give us mi, mi. Plus E, which is the N, and the I, the N, or the N and the I will give us ni, ni. Plus E, which is the P, and the I will give us P, P. R, plus E, which is the R, and the I will give us ri, ri. S, plus E, which is the S, and the I will give us si, si. T, plus E, which is the T, and the I will give us T, T. So the T and the I will give us T. W, W, plus E, which is the W, and the I will give us we, we. J, plus E, J, plus E, which is the Y, and the E, or the I, will give us Y, Y. The use of the O in line with the consonant. The use of the O in line with the consonant. And here the O, eba ka eye enum nyije no ho na no so yahwe de ebenya. We are going to use the O, the vowel O, in line with the consonant to derive a result. So let's move on. B, B, plus O, which is the B, and the O will give us B, B. D, plus O, which is the D, and the O will also give us Do, Do. F and O, which is the F, plus O will give us F, F. G, G, plus O, which is the G, and the O, or the O, will give us Go, Go. H, H, plus O, which is the H, and the O will give us H, H. K, K, plus O, which is the K, and the O will give us Ko, Ko. L and O, which is the L, plus O will give us Lo, Lo. Plus O, plus O will give us Mo, Mo. And now Mo. Plus O, plus O, which is the end, and the O will also give us No, No. Plus O, which is the P, and the O, another O, will give us Po, Po. R, plus O, which is the R, and the O will give us ro, ro, s, s, plus O, which is the S, and the O will give us so, so, t, t, plus O, which is the T, and the O will also give us to, w, plus O, w, plus O, which is the W, and the O will give us w, j, plus O, which is the Y, and the O, or the O, will give us yo. The use of the O in line with the consonant. Nti yɛde O nso bɛka enum nnyigyei no ho. Ɛne nnyigyei O no, yɛde ba bɛka enum nnyigyei no ho. We are going to use the O, the vowel O, in forming words with the consonant. B plus O will give us B, which is the B, and the O will give us B. D plus O, which is the D, and the O will give us D. F plus O, which is the F, and the O will give us F. G plus O, which is a G, and the O will give us G. H plus O, H plus O, which is the H, and the O will give us H. K plus O, which is the K, and the O will give us K. L plus O, which is the L, and the O will give us L. So plus O, which is the M, and the O will give us Mo. N plus O, plus O, which is the end, and then the O will give us No. P plus O, which is the P, and the O will give us Po. R plus O, which is the R, and the O will give us R. S plus O, which is the S, and the O will give us So. T plus O, which is T, and O will give us T. W plus O, which is W, and O will give us W. J plus O, which is the Y, and the O will give us Y. The use of the U or the U in line with the consonant. The use of the vowel U in line with the consonant. So we have B plus U will give us Bu. So the B and the U will give us Bu. D plus U, which is the D, and the U will give us Du. F plus U, which is the F, and the U, which is F, and then U will give us Fu. G plus U, which is the G, and the U will also give us Gu. H plus U, which is the H, and the U, which is H, and U will give us K, K, plus U, which is the K, and the U will also give us Ku, Ku, plus U, which is the L, and the U will give us Lu, Lu, M, plus U, which is the plus U will give us Mu, Mu, N, plus U, which is the N, and the U will give us Nu, Nu, plus U, which is the P, and the U, which is P, and U will give us Pu, Pu, R, R, plus U, which is the R, and the U will also give us Ru, Ru, S, plus U, which is the S, and the U, which is S, plus U will give us Su, Su, T, plus U, T, plus U, which is the T, and the U will give us Tu, Tu, W, plus U, which is the W, and the U will give us Wu, Wu, J, plus U, which is the Y, and the U will also give us U, U. So here we are going to look at the use of the vowel sound in line with the three special characters of the sound. We have the special characters. Here we are going to look at forming three-letter words with the vowel sound as in line with the special characters. So let's move on to look at the combination of the vowel sound in line with the special characters. So in our previous lesson, adesua edi kano yehwe eni nyije na num nyije na other special characters no bibi ti say H, Y, which is the sh, which gives us the sh. When we add the a to it, which is the vowel a to the sh, you get sha, sha. I hope you remember all those sounds, those special sounds. So the HY will give us the sh. So when we add a or the a to it, we'll get sha. So we also have the HY plus the a, which is the vowel a to the sh sound. We'll get sh, sh. And then the next one will be sh, sh. So we have the sh, and then the next one is she, which is the sh plus the e, will give us she. Then the h plus y, which is the hy, which is the sh, still the sh sound. When we add the o to it, it will be sho, sho, and then this one will be sho, sho. So because we are adding the vowel sound o to it, which is the inverse of C to it. Then we also have the sh plus the u, which will give us shu, shu. We also have the HW, which is the sh, sh. It gives us the sh. So when we add the vowel sound a to the sh, we'll get sha, sha. Then we'll get the she, she, which is the HWE, will give us she. Then HWE will give us she, she. Then the HWE I, which is the H, and then the W will give us she. Then the HWO, which is the H and W, will give us sho. Then the H and W plus the O, which is the HW, and then the O, H, and W, and then the O will give us sho. Then the H plus W, or the H, W, and the U, which is the H and W, and the U, which is the H, W, and the U, will also give us shu. Here you have to understand the various sound each of these special characters give, and then you introduce the vowels to it. We have the KY. KY, in our previous lesson, we said the KY also give us the ch. It gives us the ch sound. Okay, so when we add a, the vowel sound a to the ch, we'll get cha. And then when we add the a to the ch, we'll get che. And when we add the e, which is the inverse of 3, we'll get che. And when we add the vowel sound e to the ch, we'll get chi. And when we add the vowel sound o, or the o to the ch, we'll get cho. And when we add the vowel sound o to the ch, we'll get cho. And when we also add the vowel sound u to the ch, we'll get what? Chu. The next one is the special character that we talked about in the previous lesson. T and W. T and W. We also said that it gives the sound ch. So adding the vowels to it, the first one will be cha, because we are adding the vowel sound a to the ch. We'll get cha. Then when we add the vowel sound a to the ch, we'll get che. And then when we add the vowel sound e to the ch, we'll get che. Then when we add the vowel sound e to the ch, we'll get chi. And now chi. Then when we add the vowel sound o to the ch, we'll get cho. And then when we add the vowel sound o to the ch, we'll get cho. And then when we add the vowel sound u to ch, we'll get chu. So you could see the indication of the various special characters or the sounds, and in line with the vowels or the ene inyije no nti won twi acho de soronko no na ene inyije no odi boma ye hu se de bia so ebema inyije. We have the n and y, which is the n and then the j. When you add or introduce the vowel sound a to it, you get the ny gives that the n sound. So when we add the a, we get nya. Then the ny and then the e, which is the ny and e, n plus j plus a will give us nye. Then when we introduce the e to the n, we'll get nye. Then when we add the vowel sound e, which is the I, to the ny, we'll get ny. Then when we introduce the vowel sound o to the n, we'll get nyo. Then when we introduce the vowel sound o, which is the inverse of c, will be nyo. Then when we add or introduce the vowel sound U or the U to the N, we will get New. I hope you get the trend. Okay, I trust you. Megye di sɛ sɛdeɛ ɛkɔ so no, wankasa wote ase. Nkakra biribiara bɛyɛ fine. Everything will be fine. Now we are also looking at the special sound, which is the DW, which is the D, and then the W. When you introduce the vowel sounds to it, let us look at how they will also sound. And the ne nnyigye ne ba bɛka saa twi akyerɛwde soronko yi nso ho. Nti yɛwɔ D and then W. When we add the vowel sound A to it, we'll get dwa, because DW also gives us j sound. Until we have the dwa, we have the j. Then when we add the E, which is the inverse of 3, we'll get dwa. Then when we introduce the vowel sound E, which is the I to the D and then the W, the DW, we will get G. Then when we introduce the vowel sound O to the DW, we will get Jo. Then when we introduce the vowel sound O, which is the inverse of C, to the D and then the W, which is the D and the W, we will get Jo. Then when we introduce the vowel sound U to D and W, which is the D and W, we will get Ju. Now we also have G and then J, which gives us the J sound. So when we are going to introduce all the vowels to the J. So we have J plus A will give us Ja, which is the GY, and A will give us Ja. Then GY and E, which sound the A will give us J. Then when we introduce the E to J, we get J. Then when we introduce the vowel sound E to J, we get G. And then when we introduce the vowel sound O to J, we get Jo. And then we have Jo, which is the O being introduced to the J sound, will give us Jo. And then when we introduce the vowel sound U to the J, we'll get Ju. So you can see. Beautiful. I hope you are following. Megye di sɛ deɛ yɛyɛ no wote ase. We also have the sound like the N and then the W. The N and then the W, which is the N and the W, will also give us the N. It gives us the N sound. So when we introduce the vowels to it, the vowel sound A or the A to it will get Nya. Then we have Nye. We have Nye, which is the E to it. And then we have the Nyi, because we've added the E to it. And then we have the Nyo. Then Nyo. Then Nyu. Okay, I hope you had it right. Okay. Here we are going to look at the formation of 4-letter words. How to form 4-letter words. Yɛba bɛhwɛ nsɛmfua a akyerɛwde no yɛ anan. We are looking at 4-letter words. Here we have N, J, A, N, Nyang, to give us Nyang. Then the G, and then the Y, which is the G, and then the J, and the A, and then N. We also get Jang. Then the D and the W and O and W will give us Joe. Then the D and then the W, I and W, which is the D, W, E and W, will give us Jew. Then G, Y, E and N, which is the G, Y, E, N, will give us Jing. Then we have then A, and then plus A, give us Mama. And now Mama. We have O, D, A, which is the O plus the D, the A, and the N will give us Odang. Then A, then F, U, A. So we have the A, and then the F, and the U, and the A, which is A, F, U, A, will give us Efua. Then we have A, B, E, which is the A, B, E, A, B, E, and the N will also give us Abing, because the E sounds A in all the characters. Wherever you see E, it is A. It gives us the A sound. It's Abing. Then we have K, J, E, A. So we have the K, J, E, A. And we know that the K, W, and the K, and then the J, which is the KY, gives us the Ch sound. So if we have the Ch, and then we have the E, and then the A, will give us what? Chia. Then we have plus A plus plus A by Mami. Then we have plus A plus A by Nana. Then we have A, F, U, W. A, F, U, W will give us Efu. Then W, O, D, A, which is a W, O, and D, and then the E or the A will give us Wadi. Then we have the K and then the J, which is the KY, and then the A or the E and the W will give us Chow. And we also have the S, O, A, which is the S, then O, which is the inverse of C, and then and then A or the E will give us sorry. Then plus U plus F plus U, which is NUFU, will give us Nufu. Then we have the NIFA, which is the and then E and then F plus A. And also it will give us Nifa. Then we have the plus A plus A, which is the M plus E plus A, will give us Mia. Then we have the KY, and then the E, which is the inverse of 3, and then the which is the KY, E, and N, will give us Cheng. Then we have the T, W, E, T, W, will give us Ch. Then we have E, and then to this one will also give us Cheng. Then we have W, E, N, W, E, N, which is W. n will give us ring, ring, because the NW will give us sound. So adding a and then the n to it, we get ring, ring. Then we have N, N, U, E, which is the U, A, by India, and by India. Then we also have A, P, A, which is the A, M, the P, and A, will give us ampa, ampa. The A, M, and the P, A will give us ampa. Then we have the O, and then P, I, and A, which is the O, P, E, A, will be opia, opia. Okay. Here we have formation of 5-letter words. Yɛba asɛmfo a akyerɛwde no yɛ enum. Yɛahwɛ akyerɛwde a asɛmfo a akyerɛwde no yɛ ebien. Yɛahwɛ deɛ yɛ ebiesa. Yɛahwɛ deɛ yɛ anan. Afei yɛaduru deɛ akyerɛwde no yɛ enum. We have looked at 2-letter words, 3-letter words, 4-letter words, and here we are going to look at 5-letter words. So here we have opapo, opapo, which is the o, opapo. Then we have odidi, odidi. We have i, odidi. Then we have onini, onini. We have i, onini. Then we have tewia, tewia. So we have a. So we have the T, the E, W, I, A, which is tewia, tewia. Then we also have suku, suku, which is the SUKU, suku, suku. We have ohene, ohene. So we have the the O, and then the HENE, ohene. Then we have okisi, okisi. We have the OKISI, and now OKISI, okisi. Then we have kabia, kabia. We have the kabia, which is the KABEA, kabia. Then we have TWI, TWI. We have TIWI, TIWI. Then we have tikro, tikro. We have TIKRO, or the T, which is the TIKRO, tikro. Here too we have dodo, dodo, which is DODOW, dodo. Then insisa, insisa, insisa. We have insisa, insisa. So we have kodu, kodu. So we have KODUU, KODUU, kodu. Ebien, ebien, which is ABIEN, ABIEN, ebien, ebien. Then we also have obeye, obeye. we have o, b, e, y, e, and now o, b, e, y, and then the y or the e. So we have the o, we have b, we have the e, which is the inverse of 3, and then the y, and then another inverse of 3, which we call it the e. The inverse of 3 gives us the e sound. So we have o, b, e, y, e, obeye, and now obeye. Here too we have mmara, mmara, which is the a, m, a, r, a, mmara. Then we have chire, chire, which is the k-y, e, a-y, e, r, e, chire. Kobi, kobi, we have k, o, o, b, i, which is the k, o, o, b, e, kobi. Then we have nunum, nunum, which is u, u, n, u, n, u, m, nunum, nunum. Then we also have ebata, ebata, which is e, b, a, t, a, and now e, then b, then a, then t, and a, ebata. Today, we learned about formation of words. Adesua no nyinaa tɔfabɔ no. And in summary of the lesson, today we learn about the formation of words. The purpose of this lesson is just to form words and the sound each word produces. Going forward, there will be more of this lesson, and we shall look at words and their meaning. Today is just a formation of words without meaning. So there will be another lesson where we'll talk about words and their meaning. And inti medase se wunya akwanya na wotena se itie me ananse wo hwe sa adesua yi. Ene yesua senia wokyerɛw nsɛmfua. We have learned about how to write words, either 2-letter words, 3-letter words, 4-letter words, 5-letter words. That is what we are able to learn today. Nti yesua sɛ deɛ yɛkyerɛw asɛmfua anaa nsɛmfua. Nti adesua no ne nyinaa ne tɔfabɔ no in summary, we learn how to form words, not words and their meaning. That one will be in a different lesson. It's just a matter of forming words. Nti yɛhwɛ asɛmfua, sɛdeɛ yɛkyerɛw asɛmfua. And nti medase. I thank you so much for having time with me. And still, I'm your teacher, your TWI teacher, and we will continue to have more of this lesson, and then we'll upgrade ourselves. A time will come, the speaking of your TWI and the writing will be exquisite. It will be great. It will be great. I just want to let you know and have the hope that knowing the alphabets of the TWI alphabet and how each character sound, writing of TWI will be an easy thing. I thank you for your time, and I will be happy to meet you in our next lesson. And the other shiame adesua a edi hɔ no mu wɔ adeyɛ asɛmfua anaasɛ adeyɛ asɛm ho. Meet me in the next lesson in verbs in Akan. In our next lesson, we are going to look at verbs in Akan point of view. When we talk about verbs, what does it mean? We are going to look at that. In our next lesson, that is what we are going to learn. We are going to learn about verbs. Yɛbɛhwɛ meda wase. Na bɔ mmɔden sɛ wobɛhyia me wɔ saa adesua no mu nso. Asafo Awurade nka wo ho. Meda wase.